Okay, thank you. You want to lift it up? Show them. We got biscuits. All right, you ready to put it in the air fryer?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna move this right here. And I'm gonna just slide you over. No, you can stay here. Okay, put it in. Push. Okay, press this button. Press it again. Okay. Uh-oh, you turned it off. Turn it on. It's so sensitive, right? All right. Okay, press that button. Press play. Yep, press play. Just press it. There you go. Good job. Yay! All right. Your biscuits is done. Don't try to cook them anymore. You pressed it? Press it. Ooh, look what you did. Show them. Watch your hands so you don't get burned. You see the biscuits? Are you proud of your work?
Yeah.
Good job. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's hot. I don't know what made you just touch that. All right. So you still don't want no eggs? You just want the biscuit?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay, so we ate breakfast. She ended up eating eggs, y'all. She didn't even eat the biscuit. She ate my eggs. But now I am about to get ready to try to wash her hair because both of us look a mess and we can't be out here looking like that. And I'm gonna tell y'all right now, I'm sorry in advance for the different qualities that this video is gonna have on it because she dropped my camera. So my camera is struggling. My phone is tripping, and then my other phone, it's an older model, so it doesn't have the same quality. So y'all, we are literally just over here trying to make it. Okay? But at least y'all gonna get a video though. We gonna stay consistent and we gonna get through this. Maybe I'm gonna have to go to Best Buy tomorrow and get another camera. Ooh, I just almost started crying when I said that, but oh.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes, you ready to get your hair washed?
Yeah.
Yeah, she like getting her hair washed. I love that for her. I love that for me. Okay, I need to clean the kitchen first, okay? All right. I successfully washed and blow dried her hair. It's all ready to be done, but I'm thinking since her party is on Saturday, I'm probably not gonna really do her birthday style until Friday, and I'll probably just send her with puffs for the week. I don't know, cause what is already, it's about to be 3:30. So yeah, when she wakes up, I still gotta go to the nail supply because I have appointments tomorrow and none of my nail stuff came in. Like everything that I needed to restock is still somewhere in transit. So I gotta go to the actual store and get what I need. And yeah, I have a busy week and I'm just sitting here like, my baby is about to be 2 years old. Like, where did time go? That's crazy to me. I just might cry this year. See, last year I was like, oh, I kept her alive for a whole 365. But now I'm like, she's growing up so fast. But yeah, I don't know. So yeah, I mean, my week is busy because I have to work, of course, nails and content, and I also have to prepare and make sure I solidify everything for her birthday, do the goodie boxes and stuff, and it's not a lot. I just can't procrastinate because I got a lot of stuff to do, and I'm a big procrastinator. I also need to figure out if I'm going to do my own hair or get it done. I'm tired of wigs, y'all. I don't want to wear no wig. So I was trying to look for somebody to do a quick weave, but I'm sorry. I haven't found a lot of people that can do a lot of good stuff in Dallas. And I mean, I'm pretty sure there are. So if y'all know of anybody who does good hair, it's really the hair. It's the hair for me. In Dallas, let me know. Put it in the comments, baby. I would love to see it. And I know a lot more people are moving here from other places, and that's typically who I go to. Like my hairstylist that I let do my wigs, she's from Alabama. But I haven't found anybody like from Dallas that could really, do what they need to do. But anywho, that will definitely be a video. If I have to do a quick weave, that's definitely going to be a video, and it's definitely going to be an experience. I've only did a quick weave in my hair, I think like once, and that was years ago. Like so long ago that I don't remember how to, I'm going to have to watch a tutorial, then do it. But as of right now, while these clothes are in the wash, I think I'm about to eat. Did I eat? Oh, I ate this morning. Yeah, I'm about to eat and figure out what we gonna eat for dinner. I pulled some chicken out, but I don't know what I want to do with it. So yeah, let me get my life together while she sleep, and we shall be back. So of course, I made dinner catered to Addisyn, and she wanted chicken tenders. So since I took out that meat, I'm like, okay, I could make some chicken tenders with it. All for her to end up eating rice and ketchup on blue. Because I could have did something else with this chicken. I don't know what else I was going to do with it. But still, like, I didn't want chicken tenders. I'm going to just save them and put them in a salad for lunch tomorrow. But I think we have really wrapped up our day. I did her hair, a little quick hairstyle for the week. Huh? More ketchup? Okay, come here so I can show them your hair. Come here. And I'll just need to refresh the front in the mornings. Come here. She got her pigtails in the front. Turn around so they can see the back. And her little braids in the back. Yeah. You like your hair? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You got ketchup all on your mouth.
Okay.
It's okay. I love you. I love you. You didn't want the chicken. You want some chicken? Or are you just putting on because you in front of the camera? You really want some chicken? You want me to bite it? It's good? It's good? You want some more? Now she eating. okay. I'll eat too. I guess we gotta eat together. We might. I want to say this is it for the night. We wrapping up, but we might make some COOKIES just off the strength that I want some. But we'll see. You want some more? All right, so if we come back, we come back. But if not, good night. Say good night.
Night.